myself Pal Patel, and today I am going to present the Indian Institute of Management, popularly known as IIM. Here you can see there are four logos: IIM Indore, IIM Bangalore, IIM Calcutta, and IIM Ahmedabad. IIM might be a dream of many of us sitting over here. So let's just study about in detail. Introduction. The Indian Institute of Management, known as IIMs, are one of the best institutes for study of management. It was an initiative by our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru in the year 1961. IIMs were declared as the institutions of national importance by the Ministry of Human Resources Development. IIMs offer courses like PGP, that is postgraduate programs in management, MBA, that is Masters in Business Management, etc. There are 20 IIMs in India: Jammu, Amritsar, Sirmaur, Kashipur, Rohtak, Udaipur, Ahmedabad, Lucknow, Bodh Gaya, Shillong, Raipur, Ranchi, Calcutta, Sambalpur, Nagpur, Visakhapatnam, Bangalore, Kozhikode, and Tiruchirappalli. Out of this, the four important IIMs are IIM Indore, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and Calcutta. Benefits of IIM: we'll get education from a top faculty, better job prospects, higher compensation, opportunity for entrepreneurship, opportunity to interact with the sharpest minds in the country. Difference between IIM and IIT. IIMs impart education in the field of management to prepare world-class managers that are industry-ready and take up all challenges of business. Students need to clear a test called as CAT, that is Common Admission Test. IIT imparts quality education in the field of engineering. At present, there are 15 IITs all over India. Students need to clear a test called JEE, that is Joint Entrance Examination. Top 4 IIMs: IIM Indore, IIM Bangalore, IIM Ahmedabad, and IIM Calcutta. IIM Calcutta. It was the first Indian Institute of Management to be established. It was started on 28 November 1961. Its motto is Gnanam Sarvahitya, which means knowledge for the benefit of all. It offers courses like 1-year postgraduate diploma. It is also the part of CEMS Global Alliance in Management Education. IIM Indore. It was started in the year 1996. Its motto is Siddham Moolam Prabandham, which means the root of all achievement is management. Its campus is spread over 193 acres with more than 1,300 students. It offers courses like FDP, that is Faculty Development Program, IPB, that is Integrated Program in Business Analytics, PGP, HRM, that is Postgraduate Program in Human Resources Management. IIM Bangalore. It was started in the year 1973. Its motto is Tejasvi Navadipmastu, which means let our study be enlightening. It offers courses like EGPG, Executive Post Program in Management. IIM Ahmedabad. IIM Ahmedabad was started in the year 1961. The school has been accorded the status of an institute of national importance by the Ministry of Human Resources Government of India in 2017. It offers master's degree program and agribusiness management.